Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw Zoey in a simple way. First step, draw her face. Anyways, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is our reference. Second, let's draw her hair. Next, let's draw her neck. In this step, let's draw her eyes, nose, lips, and eyebrows. Anyways, guys, I'll give you a tip. Draw in a place that's quiet and free from distraction. It helps you focus better, concentrate on details, and stay creative without interruptions. Anyways, please subscribe. In this step, let's continue to draw her hair. Watch till the end. Hopefully, this video helps you. Let's draw her clothes. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We're almost done. Can you press subscribe for me?